Hello, I'm Sam, and today I'm bringing you a unboxing of the Papercraft Society subscription box. I've been subscribing to this since they started, and this is box. Let me see. So let me just check on the side here. This is box number 8. So every month you get a different designer who creates for the box, and the box is always pretty. So then the inside of it, we've got creativity is messy. I'm very creative. That's quite right for me. So this one is by Be Crafty. A company called Be Crafty. And this is the this is what they look like. So in this booklet you get lots of inspiration and instruction and recipes and various different things in there. So you get one of those every month. Then you get this file, which I will put that over there so we can look in here. So Be Crafty polymer stamps is the name. So we're going to open this up, and this folds out. If I can get it all on the camera, like so. And then there's some nice quotes on here as well. So this one is a very sort of mixed media style box. But each month there's different types of styles and themes. So we've got this background stamp. That's a good size, that one. We've got that stamp set. Knock some off now. I've got a pile of old spice bottles that I got from my mum, so I could put some like embellishments and things in them. And we've got this stamp set as well. We've got birthday wishes, time flies, you have the key to my heart, thinking of you. Got Roman numerals. Try not to get any glare on there. That. Get on forever, this one. So each box valued at £60, and the subscription is $24.99. But I do actually have a code, a link where you can get £5 off your first box, so I will put that in the description. We've got some pretty stencils. That's a good stencil. And there's that one. And then underneath you've got a die set. You can't see that now. I turn that round. I love this one. And then we've got some in there. Got some papers. 2 in a bag. Got like rubbish all over the place here where I've been picking up stuff and slinging it around. So these are A5. Very textured. Lovely pink. There's 2 of those. A yellow one that looks like sprinkled paper. Green one. Then we've got 2 sheets of sentiments, cut-ups. There, so that's the papers. But that's not all of it, because we've still got another box part to go. Put that back in there. So this all folds up like this, and you can put that on your bookshelf or wherever. So that tells you what it is on there. So Papercraft Society Box 8, Be Crafty. So we'll put that to one side, and we'll delve into the rest of the box. If I can get it in the camera. So in here, cats are running about. crazy animals. We've got some embossing paste to use for our stencils. We've got a palette knife to use with our embossing paste. If I can get the sticky thing off. Get that out. There's your embossing knife. Palette knife. They call it palette knife here. Then we've got 3 inks. So you get these at 3 inks every month. And these are hybrid inks, so they work with watercolouring and alcohol markers and things like that. And then we have get a postcard every month. When all our skulls get messy, that's my life. And each month they have a little bit of information on. So this one's telling us about types of stenciling. Blurry. And then it goes on for a look. Here's the coordinating cardstock. So this goes with the papers and the inks. Get the band off. No, I can't. So I'll flick them. So we've got pink, 2 sheets of pink, 2 yellow, 2 green, brown. That's more craft, isn't it? Like that. So that's what's in the box. One thing you need to be aware of that I didn't know when I first got mine is underneath the tissue paper there is a little extra treat on there, so make sure you look under there when you're ordering. So that's all that loveliness. There's the booklet. Where's my folder? There's my folder. So there we go. Popped all back in there in a lovely pretty box. All ready to have a play. Can't shut it now. I haven't shut it right. So this was the May box. I think this one is actually sold out. There have been some delays with deliveries, obviously, and the circumstances we're in at the moment. So June box is, I think that's fully subscribed to, and then July box is now available to order. Sometimes they do have like one-off boxes each month left, you know, if they've got any left over, but the last couple of months have been a bit awkward due to the delivery arrangements and things. So there we go, that's the Papercraft Society subscription box for May, or box number 8, and I'll be back again, show you what I've made with it, and if you like this video I will do next month's box when I get that as well. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.